Today I'm going to be addressing something that I've mostly noticed on social media, and that is why is the price of SHIB falling? I'm going to give you an honest perspective of what other people are currently thinking about SHIB and what is currently happening in the SHIB space. If you're scared of the truth, click away from this video because this is not for the faint-hearted. We'll be giving away $100 to a random subscriber to kickstart their crypto journey. To enter this giveaway, simply like and subscribe and comment your favorite crypto in the comments below. There is currently a lot of fear, uncertainty and doubt around social media with regards to SHIB. However, most professionals seem quite bullish on the topic. For example, an article by Content Space on why you should not be concerned by the latest fall in Shiba Inu coin price. Another one by Bunga Logic, the sky is not falling on SHIB. And this one by Watch News, Shiba Inu could reach, this is 1/100th of a cent by the end of 2021, claims financial analyst. Why is that? So let's have a look at where Shiba Inu is at right now. So Shiba Inu is currently ranked number 12 on coinmarketcap.com with a market cap of roughly $24 billion. In the last 30 days, it's gone up 17.71%, and in the last 7 days, it's gone down 13.41%. But in the last 90 days, it has gone up 470%. We'll just keep those numbers in mind as the video progresses. So why you should not be concerned by the latest fall in Shiba Inu coin price? So in this particular article, it mentions that the Shiba Inu price has dropped roughly 50% since its peak and is now trading around the 4,000-ish level. And this comes after a 500% rally, making it the top 10 biggest cryptocurrencies in the world and in the market. So right now, SHIB is undergoing what we call a price retracement, and it is actually very, very normal. It is simply a period whereby the market is calling off to allow profit taking. So what that looks like is, this is the chart for Shiba Inu, and at the very top is the peak of the Shiba Inu price. And we've seen roughly a 55% price retracement since this peak. And it states, and I agree with this, as a general rule, this is how financial markets behave. They move up and down, and after such a strong rally, you should expect a sell-off period that later triggers another rally. So what that means psychologically is, at this particular period in time, so at this period, everyone heard about SHIB and everyone wants to jump into SHIB. And there is a lot of FOMO going on because they don't want to miss on the train. And a lot of people buy in, and that drive the prices for Shiba Inu up. And once it got rejected at the peak, there wasn't any more news happening for SHIB. And there was also a lot of fear, uncertainty and doubt for SHIB, and that caused the price to come back down. And ever since then, there hasn't been as much news and there hasn't been much movement, and definitely with regards to the SHIB news. Whereas previously we have seen a lot of news and a lot of positive catalysts unfolding in the breakout period. During this period, I remember there was a lot of discussion regarding the Robinhood listing, the Coinbase listing, and there's the Kraken listing discussion. There was a lot buzzing around social media with regards to what SHIB is currently doing. However, that volume of news is not sustainable, and that has mostly declined in the last couple weeks. And in the market, when there is no news, it might as well be bad news because that's how the market will behave. So when there is not much happening, a lot of people get afraid and they sell and they panic because their investments are going down and they don't want to lose any more money. And that is sort of what is happening right now in the recent weeks. And that is exactly what has been happening with regards to SHIB. We see a gradual sell-off, slow sell-off of people who are paper hands in Shiba Inu, and as a result driving the prices down more and more until we hit a bottom level, which is a core support level, which appears to be this particular level around the 4,300 mark, where other holders are beginning to snatch them back up because they deem this level to be a very, very valuable price point to enter into SHIB once again. Minted Crypto is doing a limited Black Friday sale on right now, offering 20% discount on all orders. They make quality physical crypto coins that you can flex to your friends. Support your favorite crypto project and prove yourself as an early adopter with these coins. Minted Crypto has now updated their warehouse and ships from the US within 1 week. This makes a perfect gift for those who are into crypto. Take advantage of the Black Friday sale with the special discount code Black Friday at checkout for 20% off. And this is explained really well here by this particular article. The best thing to do when the market is down is to accumulate and hodl. There is a lot of fear in the market, and this is where the markets shake out the paper hands and where the diamond holders stack. And this is also very well illustrated here. Don't be discouraged by what you see. If you look at the market as a whole, we're actually up compared to where we were in 2020. Check out this detail on Statista. So this is with regards to Bitcoin, but it is also applicable to SHIB. Even if we look at the last 90 days, from memory, I believe we've seen a close to 500% growth in SHIB in the last 90 days. And when in doubt, take a deep breath and step back a little bit. Focus on the big picture as a whole. Look at the long term. These lows we're seeing now are preparing us for what's to come. And that is a lot of potential growth from a long period of consolidation. And in fact, we saw a period of this months ago when we saw SHIB consolidating before the first rally of SHIB. We saw SHIB consolidating for almost as long as 3 months before the price of SHIB rallied. And I know none of you likes to hear this, and myself included, because why do you want to have investment in a particular asset that doesn't move for 3 months? Well, the short answer to that is because SHIB has a higher probability and higher potential to reach even higher highs compared to where we are now. And this is the probability that I'm willing to put my money on. And SHIB isn't stopping. We have a tweet from the devs themselves. All that said, I'll have good news for the SHIB army this week, going back into quiet mode to finish up. So we have confirmation that something is brewing in the background, and we're about to get an announcement this week. And taking the advice that I have just mentioned is to take a step back at the crypto market. And a tweet here by Del Crypto, the entire market is waiting on Bitcoin because there is a lot of uncertainty around Bitcoin, and there's a lot of people waiting to see what Bitcoin will do, because Bitcoin as a whole dictate the movement of the crypto market. Now, none of this is pleasant, I know, but the stock market, keep in mind, rewards those who are patient. This is my opinion, and my opinion only. I personally believe in the SHIB team and in the core mission of SHIB, and as a result of this, I will add to my position because I believe that this project will moon, and it has yet to do so. Anyway, that's all from me. I just want to address this because I've seen a lot of comments regarding this posted on social media. Let me know in the comments what you think about the SHIB pricing and the SHIB market. We, unlike other channels, actually read every one of your comments. That's all from me. As always, take care, and we'll catch you guys next time.